there is a formula that has been put on the page for the DCP.
Okay.
I think let them go to Facebook DCP Kenya.
Okay.
And they will be guided through how you register through the register of political parties and how you become a member. So let them just check on DCP Kenya Facebook page, and you'll get the formula that is there.
Okay. Money, resources for the party. How are you guys planning to get them together?
It's a People's Party. I'm not going to fund this party. One, I don't have those kind of resources. And even if I had, it's a People's Party, it's not my party.
Okay.
And this party will be run by members. Already, the few things we are doing, people have contributed large sums of money.
Okay.
Yeah. As of last week, we are almost on 100 million. Yeah. Yeah. About 100 million.
Guys have already contributed 100 million.
Yeah, and that was before the party was launched. And we'll shortly be rolling out our pay bill number and our bank accounts, both the dollar account because of the people in diaspora and the Kenya shilling account. And we are asking people those who want to support this party, those who really believe in liberating this country and want to be part of that process, to also put some money into it. 100 shillings, 200 shillings, 500 shillings, 1,000 shillings, 10,000, 100,000, depending on your ability. And no money is small. Yeah. Okay. 200 shillings for majority of Kenyans will be a very resourced party. We need money to do our launch. We need money to buy vehicles. We need to open branch offices. We need to do materials. We need to do T-shirts. As we speak today, everybody wants our caps. They want our T-shirts. And this party will be viewed by the members because it's a public body. It's not my company. It's not a private thing. It's not a family business. And the people of Kenya who want to associate with us will come through. And I really want to thank those who have given us money. People have paid for our office. Some people have given us furniture. Others have given us laptops. Others have given us desktop computers. Others have given us fridges, gas cookers, lawn mowers.
They're all
people
donating.
Have given vehicles. I have now 4 Prados. Yeah?
You've been given 4 Prados?
Yeah, already. 4 Prados. Some people have given us sound equipment, for the vehicles, other sound equipment for the party. I'm really overwhelmed by the support from people who want to be associated with this party. And this party will grow, and it will grow very rapidly. And I want to assure our members that we will not let you down. And this team of young people is my insurance. These people cannot allow anybody to mess our party. These young people will not allow us, our generation, to mess this country. And that is why when William Ruto became obstinate, they marched to parliament and ran for parliament. They are not going to allow anybody to mess this country. I want to assure you. And I'm so persuaded, and I know. So my job is to listen to the young people and do what is right because they know. They are knowledgeable. They do a lot of research. They are on internet. They have information on world best practices. So why would any leader worth his salt, who calls himself a leader in this country, not listen to our young people? This is a serious national resource in terms of knowledge. And the only way to sort out this country is to talk to our young people and to listen to them. And I really want to mentor them. Once they have taken off, we hand over to them and then they continue. And as we can sit back and retire and enjoy the good work they are doing. And that is what I want to be my legacy. I want to be that leader who will go down in the history of this country, that I mentored the young people. If you look at the young people who hang around me, Senator John Methu, 34 years. I've mentored that young man. Yeah? The women rep for Kirinyaga, Kasheri, 29. Yeah? The senator for Kiambu, Karongo, Thangwa, below 40. Yeah? The senator for Muranga, Nyutu, another young guy. The MP for Manyata, Mukunchi. Yeah? It's another guy, a millennium. If you look at the guys who hang around me, who are already elected, yeah, there are very many. These Gen Zs, will take all the nominated seats for MCAs in counties where my party is strong. I want to assure you, these are the people who go to the county assembly. These are the people we shall nominate as members of parliament and senate. Yeah?
Okay.
These are the drivers of our economy. They are the makers of our nation. I mean, it is stupid, actually irresponsible, not to involve these young people in governance. I mean, they know too much, and they have the energy. You know, our energy levels are going down. So what you do if you are somebody who is clever, you look for young people to boost your energy levels. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, like today, the way you are here, through a process called diffusion, and another one called osmosis, I'm gonna feel younger. You know, osmosis, diffusion is the process of transfer of molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration. So today, these youthful people, through diffusion or osmosis, will transfer some youthfulness and some energy to me. So I'm a better person, you know.
That's why you spoken for 3 hours.
Yeah.
It's already 3
I
hours.
think when we spoke with these young guys there, they really energized me, and I'm so grateful that you brought this to